The year was 2015 when we started Skylark with an aim to help students start an exciting career in aviation and tourism industry. After helping more than 800 plus students in last few years to start a successful career, we were affected by coronavirus pandemic, which hit not only this industry but almost every industry. With clear indications that this crisis is going to transform many aspects of life, education could be one of them. Considering that schools and institutes may not be going back to in-person classes for at least a couple of more months, or as estimated by some of the experts, it could even take up to a year further, the virtual and remote classes is one of the best solutions which has come up in last few months. So realizing this fact, we at Skylark decided to come up with some of the most advanced and engaging online courses to meet the needs of all students and working professionals trying to make a niche in their career. Our curriculum includes project-based learning with outstanding educational values that will keep you actively engaged during the learning process. There are enormous advantages to our online classes, and some of these includes that you can access the course from anywhere at any time. It is very cost effective and very affordable. It gives you the flexibility on pace. You can decide your own pace. You can customize your learning experience as per your requirements. It will help you to save time and it is much easier to attend. It will help to improve self-discipline. You can learn your own way. You will be supported by live sessions where our trainers will meet you every week and will help you to clarify any doubts and questions you may have. And there are no traveling and accommodation expenses because you will be attending this at the comfort of your own house. So let this pandemic not affect you, as our online classes are a fantastic option to grow in your career. I hope you will enjoy all our value-added courses we are offering here at Skylark Institute. Good luck and all the best.